May I come in?
Yes, come in, come in.
Sir, no.
Be seated, please. Are you comfortable?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable in English or in Odia?
Sir, can I use Odia in between?
No, in between.
Yes, sir.
All right, wherever you are comfortable, you are allowed. No problem. So, why do you want to be an administrator?
Sir, my sister is an IXC in police, and from her I got inspired to join the service because through her work I observed the challenges that are in the grassroots level, whether it is about maintaining law and order or addressing the public concern. So from that I got inspired to join the.
Tell me what are the three challenges of an administrator?
Sir, challenges are addressing the public concern, like we have to deal with the public, and there is when there is a conflict between the public and sir.
Suppose you had you are having a problem with your boss or the political representative, so-called people's representative. They are asking you to do some wrong. What will you do?
Sir, I will suggest, I will discuss with my senior about that. Then, sir, I will act as per the rules and regulations in there.
Suppose there is pressure,
Yes,
they will transfer you. What will you do?
sir, transfer.
They will put you on different types of troubles. What will you do?
Sir, I will act as per my ethical grounds, and I will not act any immoral things.
Suppose you are posted as Tahsildar.
Yes, sir.
You are in the field to you are pursuing the land mafias, chasing the land mafias.
Yes, sir.
They attacked. Suddenly they attacked in a lonely place. What will you do? You are the Tahsildar. What will you do?
Sir, I am alone at that place.
At best you will be with RI or Mohit. I mean, what will you do? Driver. So with these three persons, excluding you, how will you handle the land mafias?
I will face them.
How will you face? This is a common phenomenon in Jajpur, Kunjhar and this Jagatsinghpur. Common phenomenon. Recently, Kaslar has been attacked like anything. It's a matter of life and death. So what will you do?
Sir, sir, at that situation, I will.
You tell
Whatever is coming to your mind.
coming to your mind,
What will
please
you
tell.
do?
Sir, I will ask for help to the police.
Police.
Police
it will
will
take time.
reach the spot after 30, 40 or 1 hour, but how to
How will you
shape
handle
the
it?
situation there?
Sir, at that situation,
Okay.
All right. In West Bengal,
yes, sir.
huh?
Yes, sir.
Opposition is clamoring that democracy is in danger. What is your view? In West Bengal context, I am asking. Recently, election has been over. So, what will your comment? Democracy is in danger.
Sir, with the election,
Yes,
sir, democracy is not in danger there.
you justify.
Sir, the election process has been fair, and there is.
What is liberalism? What is the concept for liberalism in political science?
Sir, in liberalism, the main focus is free market.
Carry on, carry on.
Sir, free
I
market,
am listening, no problem.
and the focus is on liberty of individual. And
What is deficit financing? Deficit budget, deficit financing. What is it? Why it is there?
sir, when the expenditure is more and receipt is less, that is deficit financing.
What is the philosophy behind that deficit finance? I could have equated with the income, revenue income. So why I am going? Why the state or the center, even several countries, they are going for deficit financing?
Sir, it is like an investment for.
How it is? It is deficit. How it is an investment?
Sir, the investment is made on creating the capital assets and on the people for increasing their standard of living.
Hmm.
So that is why the fiscal deficit, the budget deficit is there.
I am asking a very general question now. What are the learnings? What are the lessons from super cyclone?
Sir, from super cyclone, we have learned to develop early warning system and to rescue people before the cyclone could hit, and giving them a proper food supply and healthcare facilities, and the post cyclone to help them continuing in their livelihood.
So you are a student of political science.
Yes,
In
sir.
political science, you must have been taught who is the exponent of social contract theory.
Sir, Hobbes.
Hobbes. So
Yes,
what is in nutshell the social contract theory?
Explain that social contract.
Sir, in social contract theory, Hobbes has given the justification to why we should obey the state. And for that, he has given his concept of social contract theory, where he explained that there is a state of nature before the occurrence of state, and there is chaos. As human nature is,
How is the life in state of nature?
sir,
How
it was
the life?
brutal. It
Brutal,
was
huh?
brutal and short, nasty, as the nature of people are commonly brutal.
Nature.
Yes.
So recently elections took place in how many states in India?
Sir, in 4 states.
What are the states?
Sir, in Tamil Nadu, in West Bengal, uh, in Assam, and in
In Puducherry.
Puducherry. Yes.
So who formed the government or who is going to form the government in Tamil Nadu?
Sir, it is TVK government.
TVK alone?
Sir, TVK is.
TVK, and who are the other parties who are rendering help to TVK to form the government?
Sorry, sir, I'm not.
You are a
aware.
student of political science, you should know it.
Yes.
And who has formed the government in Assam?
Sir, in Assam, it is BJP.
Assam BJP. So Puducherry?
Sorry, sir.
You should know all these things.
Sorry, sir.
In political science, what do you mean by point of order? Can you tell?
No, sir, I'm not aware.
Pacham.
ଜଣେ ପ୍ରଶାସନିକ ଅଧିକାରୀ ଭାବରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ରହିଛି ବିକଶିତ ଓଡ଼ିଶା 2036
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କ'ଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବୁ ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ରହିବ ସେ ଦିଗରେ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ?
सर विकसित ओडिशा 2036 रो मेन गोल अछि कि 500 बिलियन यूएस डॉलर हमें करबा ओडिशा रे इकोनॉमी को। तो सर एबे ओडिशा रे पोर्ट लेड एक्टिविटीज को बहुत मान्यता दिया जाउची, जेमति कि पारादीप पोर्ट डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट चली छी। ता सहित सेमीकंडक्टर इंडस्ट्री रे मध्ये ओडिशा रो भूमिका रहिछि, जेमति कि हमर सेमीकन वैली इन्फोसिस वैली इन्फो वैली टू आछि। तो तापर आईटी सेक्टर को भी हमें दे परिबा प्राधान्य आउ सरकार सहित एमएसएमई भी डेवलप करि परिबा।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଜଣେ ପ୍ରଶାସନିକ ଅଧିକାରୀ ଭାବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମହିଳା ଆଉ ଶିଶୁମାନଙ୍କର କଲ୍ୟାଣ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ସରକାରୀ ଯୋଜନାକୁ ନେଇ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକାରୀ କରିବେ?
सर जहाँ स्कीम्स अछि ताकू
କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଯୋଜନା ସବୁ ରହିଛି ସରକାରଙ୍କର?
सर
3-4टा स्कीम कहूना
आज्ञा सर सुभद्रा योजना रही जो कि 10,000 वर्ष को 10,000 दिया जाउची महिला माननको तांकर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बढ़ेवा पाई एवं ता सहित रही हमर लखपति दीदी गोटे स्कीम रही गवर्नमेंट रो जो थरे तांको फाइनेंशियली हेल्प करा जाउची। तापरे तापर सर ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट रो किशोरी योजना रही जोटा कि मेंस्ट्रुएशनल हाइजीन आउ न्यूट्रिशनल सपोर्ट दउची खुशी स्कीम मध्ये रही जो थे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल आउ कॉलेजेस रे तांको सैनिटरी नैपकिन प्रोवाइड करा जाउची आउ तांको एजुकेशन पई सर अन्वेषा स्कीम रही तापरे तांको हेल्थ पाई ममता स्कीम अच्छी जोटा कि मैटरनिटी क्षेत्र रे तांको फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करा जाउची
ये अल्प दिन तक गोटे ऑयल क्राइसिस देखा देथिला से बाबद आपनकर व्यूज कोन
सर एटा वेस्ट एशिया क्राइसिस सहित जड़ित जेमती कि स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज अच्छी जहाँ जहाँ द्वारा कि इंडिया रो अराउंड 60% ऑयल आसे जेहेतु ईरान और इजराइल मध्य वार चली तो ईरान से ही स्ट्रेट को
से
बंद
स्ट्रेट टा कहाँ संगे जोड़ुची
सर सेटा गल्फ ऑफ पर्सिया को अरेबियन सी सहित जोड़ुछि
अच्छा कि माने पृथ्वी रे केतेटा स्ट्रेट एमती अछि
सर नंबर कहि परिबिनी बट ना किछटा कहि परिबे
तथापि केतेटा हेतियो
तथापि ना केतरा कहूँ
सर स्ट्रेट ऑफ मलक्का अच्छी देन स्ट्रेट ऑफ बाबेल मंडप अच्छी स्ट्रेट ऑफ बॉस्फोरस अच्छी डेविस स्ट्रेट अच्छी देन
इंडिया जो करूची पाखे श्रीलंका संगे सेटा कोन
सर स्ट्रेट ऑफ मलक्का
नो पाक स्ट्रेट
पाक स्ट्रेट सॉरी सर
जानी
पाक स्ट्रेट
ठीक है तब पता
ओके
ठीक है अपन टिके न्यूज़ पेपर पढ़ो
ओके
good luck to you